temperatures are definitely dropping to record lows or near record lows. Fox 23 Chief Meteorologist James Aydelott joins us now with the latest.
Well, take a look. Finally, we have an empty sweep on Fox 23 Doppler radar, at least over the city. We've had a couple of flurries this afternoon east of town, but what's left continues to march east across northwest Arkansas. Just trace amounts of snow there. Look outside our Skycam view as we watch that sun get a little lower to the horizon. We're starting to see big breaks in the overcast. That is probably a bad thing tonight. That, combined with the snow and ice on the ground, will allow temperatures to plunge this evening, and most of us in single digits for lows tonight. Some of us will set records. We're also talking about round 3 of a wintry mix moving our way. Let's start the radar forecast tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. Now, as we go through the day tomorrow, I don't expect major problems. By 6, we'll see increasing clouds, and I think south of Interstate 40, we'll begin to see a little light mix. Here it is moving up into northeast Oklahoma by 8 o'clock, and that could move over Tulsa and the metro area late tomorrow evening. The good news with this, I don't expect any significant accumulation. We could see a couple of dots of freezing drizzle on windshields and some snow flurries or snow grains out of the sky, but some of this is going to stick around. You can see as we come up to Sunday morning at 7, we still have a little bit of this very light wintry mix. I want to stress that, very light with no significant accumulation. Some of this could last into late morning before it zips up to the north, and we will just deal with the cold temperatures. Snowfall totals in the metro area. Officially, Tulsa, 4.6 inches, 5 inches Claremore, Inola, and Coweta, around 5 inches in Fort Gibson and Muskogee. You can see how quickly the snowfall totals dropped as we moved north and west. What we expected was the heaviest snow from Tulsa to the southeast, and that's exactly what we got. 5 inches in Okmulgee, 5 inches in Muskogee, Sallisaw and Muldrow close to 6 inches, and a couple of spots just across the state line in northwest Arkansas saw snowfall totals exceed 10 inches. Temperatures right now, very cold, 22. That's all in Tulsa. 21 Broken Arrow, 26 degrees in Sand Springs, but all of us are in the 20s across eastern Oklahoma. 22 degrees in Pryor, Tahlequah 21, Okmulgee at 22 degrees. And you can see our temperature trace through the day today has been nearly flat, upper teens and lower 20s, and that's going to continue to be the case, right around 22. That's all for our high. Take a look at wind chills, too, because they're going to stay cold. All of us in the single digits now, and will stay in the single digits as temperatures drop close to 3 in Tulsa overnight. Clear skies all across eastern Oklahoma. That 3-degree temperature will be a record low in Tulsa, and we're not going to warm up very quickly tomorrow either. 16 degrees at lunchtime. You can already see the clouds increasing southwest of Tulsa, and that's when that wintry mix will start to increase for us. 22 degrees for our high tomorrow. Mostly cloudy by the end of the afternoon, and we'll see that very light wintry mix start to move overhead Saturday evening into Sunday morning. Take a look at those low temperatures, because some of us will be very close to 0 tomorrow morning. 6 in Pawhuska, 5 in Bartlesville. Will be a little warmer northwest of Tulsa because we have less snow on the ground here. Once you get to I-44, and especially southeast of I-44, that's where the coldest temps will be. 3 in Tulsa, 3 in Claremore, all the way down to 2, Grove and Pryor. Tahlequah could be our coldest spot, around 1 degree in Tahlequah and Cookson and up the Illinois River Valley. Salis saw 5, Stigler 3, Wilburton, right on Highway 270, 2 degrees tomorrow morning. That's a record low in Tulsa. When we drop to 3 in the morning, we'll see a few clouds left over through about 9 o'clock and then mostly clear skies. That north wind will stay a little lighter tomorrow, but temperatures will stay bitter cold, 22 degrees. There's that chance of a light wintry mix late tomorrow afternoon and especially tomorrow evening. You can see the stats on the old record, too. 4 degrees set way back in 1950. Look ahead to Sunday, that cold weekend always in view, and it will stay cold. That wintry mix should move out by midday on Sunday. Temperatures, though, stay below freezing, and we won't see a whole lot of sunshine Sunday afternoon to help the melting. But you can see in the rest of our 5-day forecast, sunshine returns with those bitter temperatures Monday and Tuesday. That will allow quite a bit of melting, especially on pavement that's in open sunshine. 27 Monday, 31 degrees on Tuesday. The problem will be Monday late afternoon and then again Tuesday late afternoon. Any of that snow and ice that melts into standing water will refreeze into hard glare ice. So expect lots of problems Monday evening and then again Tuesday evening, too. I think by Wednesday we should be back above freezing, 35, still cold, but we'll take those above freezing temperatures, and the rest of the week looks like it will continue that warming trend as well.